7 vegetables with low oxalates to prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones can be a painful and recurring problem for many individuals. One effective way to reduce the risk of developing kidney stones is by managing your diet, particularly by limiting foods high in oxalates. Oxalates can bind with calcium in the urine to form kidney stones. Here's a guide to the best vegetables low in oxalates to help you avoid kidney stones, backed by reliable sources. Understanding oxalates and kidney stones. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many foods. When consumed in high amounts, they can increase the risk of kidney stones, especially in individuals prone to forming calcium oxalate stones. According to the National Kidney Foundation, managing dietary oxalate intake is crucial for preventing kidney stones. Here are the top low oxalate vegetables to minimize kidney stones. Number 1. Cucumbers. Benefits: cucumbers are hydrating and low in oxalates. They are an excellent addition to salads and snacks. Oxalate content: less than 1 mg per serving. Number 2. Zucchini. Benefits: zucchini is versatile and can be used in various dishes, including stir-fries and pasta substitutes. Oxalate content: approximately 2 mg per serving. Number 3. Cauliflower. Benefits: this cruciferous vegetable is not only low in oxalates but also rich in vitamins and nutrients. Oxalate content: approximately 2 to 3 mg per serving. Number 4. Broccoli. Benefits: broccoli is a nutritious vegetable high in vitamin C and K and low in oxalates. Oxalate content: approximately 2 to 4 mg per serving. Number 5. Cabbage. Benefits: cabbage is low in oxalates and can be eaten raw or cooked. It's a great addition to salads and soups. Oxalate content: less than 1 mg per serving. Number 6. Bell peppers. Benefits: bell peppers are colorful, nutritious, and low in oxalates. They can be eaten raw or cooked. Oxalate content: approximately 2 to 3 mg per serving. Number 7. Lettuce. Benefits: lettuce is a staple in many diets and is very low in oxalates, making it a safe choice for salads. Oxalate content: less than 1 mg per serving. Tips for a low oxalate diet: stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out oxalates and reduce the risk of stone formation. Balance calcium intake. Consume adequate calcium from dietary sources to bind oxalates in the gut, reducing their absorption. Avoid high oxalate foods. Limit foods such as spinach, beets, nuts, and chocolate, which are high in oxalates. Prepare vegetables properly. Cooking methods like boiling can reduce the oxalate content in vegetables. In conclusion, incorporating low oxalate vegetables into your diet is a practical approach to reducing the risk of kidney stones. Cucumbers, zucchini, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, bell peppers, and lettuce are excellent choices. Always check with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have a history of kidney stones. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker, and don't forget to check out our other videos.